it. In all the years I've known him, he's never had the opportunity to receive my I was excited to see the look on his face when
This was a real scenario. The party's tomorrow, and I haven't even started the toddler cafe menu that my sister needs for a party game. Completely forgot. But watch how I still pull this off. So this isn't a tutorial, but I'll show you how to race from idea to finished 3D print, cutting corners that save print time and filament. Let's get started. First things first, if I can save some time printing an already available piece online, you better believe I'm going to. Well, let's jump into Maker World and let's take a look.
1 hour later.
Okay, so I've just had a brief look, and there doesn't seem to be anything that matches what she's hoping for. I think we're going custom. Alright, let's jump into Fusion and see if we can smash this out quickly. Alright, we'll start with a sketch. We'll do the base plate and then extrude up. A rectangle first. Probably make it about 24 centimeters, so just under the build plate width. And make it look a little bit more of a rectangle, maybe do it half. Yeah, maybe a bit less. Let's go 90. Looks alright to me. Alright. Let's see if we can add some curves into this. Looks pretty good. Beautiful. Alright, I mean that looks pretty good. Doesn't have to be perfect. Maybe we just delete this just so it doesn't get in the way. We'll probably make this go up 1.5 centimeters. Cool. Alright, maybe we'll chuck a curve on this. Let's have a look. It looks good. Oh, too much. Probably about that. 7.5. Looks alright to me. Maybe just for an added effect, we'll just bump this just up a little bit. Maybe just even just 1 millimeter. Nah, looks good. Why not? Let's mirror this. Beautiful. Looks alright. Create a new sketch at the front. We'll chuck the text. Alright, too big. 35. Looks good to me. Alright, so 35 is the magic number. We'll extrude this up. Maybe we'll go 2. Yeah, that's good. Beautiful. Actually, what I should probably do So I've got 2 open and closed signs. Oh, I just realized I'm gonna have to put holes in them so that way we can tie a rope or something around it, which would have been useful to do at the beginning. Will this work if I go back to here? Edit sketch. And then I just chuck. And then here, unclick that. Ah, look at that magic. Makes me so happy. Beautiful. Alrighty. Save as mesh. Let's open up Bamboo. Alright, so let's add some color to these things. We'll add a filament. So we'll go 2 colors. We'll go white and pink. So we've got pink. And this is a very hot pink. Let's go with... I think I've got something that's a little bit more subtle. So this one here. Okay, it's too much. Beautiful. And let's reslice. We can see that we've only got a filament change of 4 times, which means we don't actually have that much wastage. Okay, I wanted to pause quickly in case it isn't obvious. I've designed the signs specifically to avoid color changes within the same layer. Every time the printer changes colors, it wastes filament and, most importantly, time that I don't have. By extruding the text and the background, I can change colors between layers. Saves time, saves filament, and I still get colored prints. Bamboo, hurry up with your vortex system in H2C. Now we just let it print overnight. Finish pretty late at night. I was pretty happy with how things came out. Until. Now I really wonder what most of you would have done in this situation. I could have left it, but it annoyed me so much. The party was in a literal hour, I had to solve it quick, including print time, so I bolted back to Fusion. So I quickly smashed this together and tried to paint this one piece. The idea that I'm going to split them up into 2 pieces, so that way they print separately, and then just glue it on. And I've made a little indentation at the back here where I can glue on top of the text from the previous one. You can see it sits over. Now, to avoid printing and having to do too many color changes if it was printing by layer, right? So I'm printing by object. So it's going to print this one first, and then it's going to print this one, which means there's only 1 filament change. Just looking at this though, I think this probably needs a brim. So I'll click onto this. Let's just add a brim. And that actually might be a bit too much. That might just be really annoying to get off. Should be fine. Famous last words. Slice plate. Looks good. 34 minutes. Now we pray. It was a rough 12-hour lead up to the party to fix something that the kids probably wouldn't have even noticed, but I loved how it came up in the end.
Second Daddy.